Hello there, good friends, and anyone else watching this. I left it to the public setting. Hey, I am Kevin, and I'm coming live on Facebook now. I just wanted to talk to you about some stuff. I was actually going to go live earlier, and life happens. So if you happen to be joining this at any point, say hi. I'd love to see you drop a comment. Of course, it's probably just popping up in notifications. Pardon me, I did make coffee, for those of you that know me. I wanted to go live today, and I'm doing it on my profile page to just share a couple of things. I think it says in there something exciting about a new show or something like that, so I want to share that. Ooh, you know what? I wonder if I have that open. I should have planned this ahead of time. I do. I can do that in a minute. But one of the things that is going on in Raleigh right now, which is where I'm living, where I'm from, where I'm going live from, is there was today was a work day for teachers in Wake County, and sorry, got some of my and that impacted us. We have 3 kids, but our youngest is in elementary school. Some of you guys know the youngest has special needs. He's at a phenomenal school, phenomenal teachers. And, I've got to be honest when this, so basically what happened is that the teachers needed to get the, not even just teachers, anybody that works in the school system needed to get the attention of the legislators who have promised things and haven't given them, I think, their due and paid them and things like that. I'm not wanting to make this political, I'm just letting you know about something that I feel. So, a lot of the teachers took the day off before and marched, even though it's not a march, it's not a protest. They just wanted to show a force in downtown Raleigh, and it was pretty cool. They all wore red. I've got a red chair. I forgot to wear my red shirt. I've personally always had a problem with people that accept jobs and then complain about the pay. I mean, nobody should be surprised. Now, so I got back into radio a few years ago. Anyway, I started in radio before I got in television, and last year I had a chance to get back into radio on 94.7 QDR. And it's still almost surreal. And I was so giddy that I was on part-time that I think I'd done 2 weeks, 2 or 3 shifts. And my wife said, well, what are they paying you? And I'm like, crap, I don't even know. And it wasn't much, but it was fun to be back on. So what's sad, though, is this time is I was talking to some of the other teachers and the assistants and some of the specialists. And what really kind of came down to it is that, yes, I realize when you take a job, you know what you're making. But in reality, the teachers, I feel like, are so underpaid and have always been underpaid. And I can say this because my wife is a former teacher, and I know exactly what she made, and it wasn't enough, and she worked far harder than I do, still does. And I just felt like, we just don't pay our teachers enough. We don't pay people that work in the education system enough. Now, are there bad teachers? Yeah. Are there teachers that need to be moving on and doing something? Yeah. I don't believe in a system that keeps people just in there. But there are a lot of great teachers. Our kids have had fantastic teachers and still do. And to find out that some of them are being paid less than other people that work for the government, for the county, is insane. So once I talked to a little bit more of them, and I found out that, yeah, the things that they were promised, they weren't getting. And also, in some cases, the way that the numbers come out and it make it look like they're getting this, they're really not. That I supported them. So if you are a teacher, especially in Wake County, but if you're a teacher anywhere, you have my love and support in our family, because you have one of the most thankless jobs. And I tell you, especially something close to our heart, if you're a teacher of special needs, even more so. So I hope everything went well today. I hope the legislature, the government, whoever has to listen, realizes that you guys are underpaid. So I wanted to share that. But the other thing I wanted to talk about is, and this is something I plan on doing every week, but I wanted to kind of launch it first on my profile. Staying hydrated with a good cup of coffee, always good. By the way, if you're out there, you want to say hey, say hey. I'd love to know who's out there. But one of the things I plan on doing, I was going to launch it this week, and I just quite honestly, life got in the way, and I just didn't have time to launch it this week. So the plan is, starting next Wednesday, and every Wednesday at around 10 a.m., I'll be going live every week from my Facebook page, which is Kevin Kolbe Media. Notice the hat? Yeah, it's not a plug. I mean, it was a plug. I didn't do this accidentally. That's my business. And I specialize in online video marketing, in case we're just meeting or talking for the first time. You didn't know that. That's what I do. My background is media and marketing, and I love it. And as I love to say, I love to help people explore their gifts and share their story, make an impact in the world. I just love video and all kinds of video and telling a story in video and connecting with people in video. I also do a lot of images. I mean, a lot of photography too, and graphics and things. But video's where it's at. So the point is, starting next Wednesday, 10 o'clock, I'll be going live from my Facebook page. I would love it if you would be a part of that. It's Kevin Kolbe Media on Facebook. I mean, technically it's facebook.com/Kevin Kolbe Media. I did that for dramatic purposes. But I'll be going live from there every week. And what I plan on doing is sharing just tips and news, answering questions. I mean, I would love to hear some of the things that you're struggling with, especially if you have a business or you're another creative or things like that. And it's like, hey, how do you do this? Or what do you think about that? So I wanted to show you an open I made. So this is the open, and I didn't plan this out very well. But this is what my open of the show will look like. I'm going to drop it in and see if it'll play here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
So there I am. So that's the open I created for my show, and I've already shared it in a couple of Facebook groups I'm in, and told them I'd show them how I did it. It's not really that hard. I did it all in Final Cut Pro 10, which is what I edit in. Love Final Cut. I'm a Mac guy. There's some things I've drank the Kool-Aid on. Amazon, Google, what else? Mac. I just love it, and drinking the coffee. But the idea is every week to try and share something that I've learned, something that I think is beneficial, questions I've asked or been asked that I can answer. So you can always hit me up. You can send me a direct message. You can send me an email. I should have had this ready in advance, but the email is K2, the letter and the number, at kevinkolbe.com. Pretty simple. You can go to my website, kevinkolbe.com. There's the spelling right there. And you can leave me a message that way. You can connect with me, or you can connect with me on Facebook. If you want to send a friend request, that's fine. But I plan on doing it from my page. Now, a couple of other things are going to be going on. I do have an email. If you want to sign up for that, you can do that on my page. And I'll be sending out just periodic emails about, cool things I found. Maybe some creative stuff you need to think about. Anything that I think I can share to help your business or help you create, or nonprofits or something like that. I would love to be able to do that. So that'll be Wednesdays at 10 o'clock on my Kevin Kolbe Media page. And right now, I'm just going to do it on Facebook. I might eventually stream it to Facebook and my YouTube channel. I got to think about that. I think right now I'm going to focus on this, but that is that. So that's the. So anyway, so you can send me a message. You can sign up for the email. I'm also working on an online course and some membership things. I know the other thing is I'm also will very soon be launching a Facebook group. I have one called A Tribe Called Creative. I wish it was a little bit more interactive, but it's out there if you'd like to join that. But I think I'm going to launch more of a closed group where I can just mentor and help folks that want to continue to grow their businesses themselves and stuff like that. So I'm gonna figure that out. I've got a couple of names I want to launch it with, and then my wife and I are working on a project that we're like giddy about, but I'm not I'm not ready to show you that yet. I could. There's some logos over here. If you zoom in, you could probably see them. But that's what I've been working on. So I'm really excited to be launching this show. It's the Creative Dude Video Marketing Show, where I'm just going to share tips and ideas and things I've run across. Even like today, I've been really reworking my website. I'd love you to check it out, kevinkolbe.com, and let me know what you think. I really streamlined it, but my site is on WordPress. Absolutely, positively love WordPress, and it's affordable. It's customizable. I think I've played with Squarespace a little. I think it's better than Squarespace on a lot of levels. Maybe not as easy to customize the themes, but I'm telling you, their support is off the hook. So, a couple of things I just wanted to share about that. So Wednesdays, 10 o'clock on Kevin Kolbe Media Facebook page. I really hope you're a part of that. Set a notification, join me, send me questions in advance. You can always reach out to me on email, direct message, through the website, through Facebook, or any of the other sites I'm on, like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. Those are the ones I really like. But anyway, I'd love to hear from you, how I can help you. And again, teachers, I salute you and support you. I appreciate you watching this. Drop me a line. Say, hey, Kevin, peace out. Have a great day.